I drink espresso every single morning, yet I maintain really white teeth. And one hack is that I use whitening strips. Now, I don't use them every single day or even every week. I will go maybe a month and then I do a touch-up. Well, INOPRO sent me their whitening strips. So this is going to be my first time trying them. I will take you through the whole process, let you know my honest opinion on everything. And then, of course, the biggest thing will be the before and the after one use. So here we go. Here's our before. And then we'll get to an after. Now, I also use a whitening toothpaste that I swear by and an electric toothbrush. I just brushed my teeth, so they are clean and ready to go. You don't have to brush your teeth before putting on whitening strips, but that's something I always like to do. Okay, here's the packaging. Let's open this up. Inside, there are 2 strips and they are green. Yes, green. Seems kind of odd to put something green on your teeth and make them look mossy, but apparently these really work. The longer one looks like that would go on the top. You want to take the side that has the gel and that's going to go against your teeth. That was easy. They smell really good. I don't think I've ever smelled teeth whitening strips that smell this good. They're on. I can't talk too much. It looks crazy. Starting to absorb into the teeth as some of the green is moving around. It's still easy to talk, although I do recommend once you put these on, try not to talk as much. I'm going to set a 30-minute timer and I'll be back. 30 minutes later, I thought the green would kind of become less, but it really hasn't. So let's peel it off. You can see a lot is still on my tooth. There's a lot of green on my teeth. Let's go brush. I'll be right back. You guys, holy moly. I did not expect it to be this white. I've used a ton of whitening strips. This might be one of the whitest ones after one use. When you are just starting to put them on, you may want to wipe your teeth down with a dry towel. I didn't do that, and when I was putting the bottom ones on, it did feel like it was sliding around a little bit. So the drier your teeth are, the better for putting them on and keeping them in place. And then don't eat anything 30 minutes after. Now, let me give you a couple pros and cons. Like I said, when I first put them on, they tasted better than any other ones I've ever put on, and they smelled nice too. Con, the green after took forever to brush off. I felt like I was really scrubbing at my teeth to get it off. There are other ones that have really natural ingredients that I use. I feel like they leave a pretty thick film behind, but they're clear. This one was a very thick green film, so you couldn't really leave it behind because you don't want to have like mossy green teeth. The other con is I have a couple spots of plaque, and it almost made those a little more yellow, contrasting with the white because the white is so white now. However, I'm willing to deal with that because you'd have to get really up close to see that plaque. If you want that dazzling white smile after just one use, 30 minutes, that's it. This is really good.